How to find and see your channel insights and analytics on Twitch PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to Twitch. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner and click here in the top. Click on settings. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Click here on channel and videos. After you click on it, now all what you have to do is click here on insights. Click on channel analytics. And here you will find your channel analytics as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much for watching until the end.